Meet Matterport, the market-leading 3D platform that lets anyone turn a physical space into an immersive digital twin. Homes, offices, factories, shops, museums, schools, you name it. Scans are captured from any compatible camera, including the phone in your pocket. This recent innovation is only possible because of Matterport's huge data library. And behind it all is Cortex, our powerful AI and deep learning neural network that automatically stitches together images to construct dimensionally accurate 3D models. Once a digital twin is created, it can be customized with matter tags, labels, and guided tours, and easily shared with anyone on any device. They can virtually view, collaborate, and engage with 3D spaces. Thousands of companies in over 150 countries use Matterport and have realized unparalleled value. Millions of spaces of every kind have been captured, comprising billions of square feet and 3D data points, resulting in the largest spatial data library in the world. And it gets bigger every day, allowing customers across the property lifecycle to unlock unprecedented spatial data insights and analytics. Matterport has been digitizing the built world for a decade. Now, we're massively scaling towards achieving our mission of making every building and every space more valuable and accessible.
Now we're going to demonstrate several imVision use cases for the Matterport application. Use case 1A uses the virtual walkthrough feature that allows users to examine an equipment room remotely to better prepare engineers and technicians for performing planned connectivity tasks. It took about 12 minutes in 9 scan positions to scan this equipment room. Once the room is scanned, the Matterport application provides a link to the scanned model. This link is then embedded into an object user-defined field that we labeled as 3D View, and that's associated with a rack located in this equipment room. As we can see, in contrast to using two-dimensional pictures, the Matterport application provides an ability to tour equipment racks from the front and the rear. This allows us to inspect cabling management spaces for patching and cabling, which can aid in the planning and implementation of connectivity tasks. For example, technicians could easily assess the best routing options for adding patch connections and determine the required length of patch cords. Use case 1B demonstrates the virtual walkthrough feature for the remote inspection of office spaces with ceiling-mounted devices. This scan took about 4 minutes and used 2 scanning positions. In this case, the task could be to check connectivity between an access point and an outlet or a consolidation point that are typically located above the ceiling tiles. We embed the Matterport link for the corresponding office space into the user-defined field labeled 3D View within the Properties window for the given access point. By using this feature, in combination with the ability to attach tags to points of interest, users gain the ability to inspect the work area ahead of time and get a better understanding of the access point placement in 3D space, the location of the outlet in 3D space, and the specific ceiling tiles that need to be removed for gaining access. Additionally, Matterport's application provides an ability to measure the distance between the access point and the outlet to determine the required patch cord length in case the patch cord would need to be replaced. The walkthrough benefits from the first 2 use cases are equally applicable when preparing to perform imVision connectivity tasks in outdoor environments when working in cable vaults, outdoor cabinets, or telecom shelters. The Matterport use case number 2 takes advantage of its ability to create 2-dimensional floor plan from a 3-dimensional scanned model. This option is very beneficial whenever floor plans are either not available or when they are not up-to-date current drawings. In this example, we created a scan model of CommScope's entire 1,600 square meter office in Madrid. This work took approximately 7 hours and 120 scan positions. We then submitted the request to Matterport for their schematic floor plan service. This service is advertised as a 2-day service. In our case, we received PNG, PDF, and SVG files the very next day. The provided floor plan files are a very accurate representation of our office space. The PNG file format is supported for importing floor plans into imVision, and the drawing quality is on par with drawings that use the DWG file format. Please contact the imVision team directly if you'd like to learn more about this integration with Matterport.